Welcome to Our Family Bee. I'm Brigitte, and today we're gonna make keto pancakes 2 ways, sweet and savory, and we're gonna use this. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to Our Family Bee. We are a family of 4 whose names I'll start with B. We're on a mission to inspire real people to love well, live wisely, and be better together. Keto is hard sometimes. And you know what? I miss pancakes. I make them for my kids. I batch, cook them, freeze them, and then I just end up eating them because they're so good. So our goal was to find a keto recipe, and then to make it even easier, I found a sheet pan recipe. So you put the pancakes in here and bake it. This has proved to work really well. I can batch cook them, freeze them, and then I have pancakes whenever I want. Here's what you'll need for this. If you want the exact measurements, go check out our blog, ourfamilybee.com. Oh hey, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit all so you get all the notifications when they come out. Also, come join the family on Instagram at OFB Social. We would love to connect with you in the comments. And if you want this recipe written out, go check out our blog. It's ourfamilybee.com. Okay, I'll see you later. Here's what you need. Almond flour. We get ours from Costco. Coconut flour. I just got this from Walmart. Erythritol. I'm gonna use monk fruit, which is basically erythritol with monk fruit, and we got that at Costco. Eggs. Salt. Ground cinnamon. Vanilla extract. Liquid stevia. Baking powder. Butter. Sour cream. And for the sweet pancakes, you will need blueberries. For the savory pancakes, you will need some cooked sausage and cheddar. You will need 2 bowls, one for wet ingredients and one for dry ingredients, and 2 pans with parchment paper, or you can grease them. A 1/3 measuring cup and a ½ teaspoon. And of course, the oven. Preheat the oven to 350. First thing I'm going to do is melt this butter in the microwave. Set that aside and crack your 4 eggs into 1 bowl. Whisk those together. Combine your butter and eggs. And the sour cream. Now I'm gonna add the liquid stevia. The vanilla extract. Next, combine all your dry ingredients. First up, almond flour. Then coconut flour. Next, the monk fruit. Salt, cinnamon, and mix it together. And mix it together. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. This is something that you can whip up a double batch of on the weekends and freeze half of it, or if you're a big family, eat all of it at once. Since we are making a sweet version and a savory version from this one mixture, I'm gonna pour 1 into this smaller pan and a little bit less that I'm going to put into this other pan because I don't have 2 that are the same size. Otherwise, you could divide it evenly. On the smaller one, we're gonna add the sausage and the cheddar. Add the cheddar. You don't really have to worry about adding too much of this because you know, meat and cheese is keto. Blueberries, you just want to be careful not to add too many. And you want to get this about 1/4 of an inch thick and not too much thinner because it will get too crispy and be like a flatbread. Push it down a little bit into the batter. The oven is preheated, so I'm gonna put both of these in at the same time. And I will put on the vlog the time, but it really is gonna depend on the thickness of the pancake that you put on it. And now we wait. Timer was for 20 minutes and I'm gonna check it now and just see. So I'm gonna take a toothpick and stick it in and see if it comes out clean or not. Ooh, fogging up my glasses. So I'm gonna take it out and I can see it's burning on the back end where I spread it a little too thin. I'm just gonna leave this here on the counter to cool, but if you look down here, you can see how thin it is, and it looks pretty good, so we'll do a taste test here in a minute. Okay, so here's what we've got. I've cut the burnt pieces off, as you'll see, and gave some little slivers to the kids. It's very thin, so my recommendation is double the batch, because you're gonna want to anyways, since you're gonna freeze some of it, and then just fill the whole cookie sheet when you do it. It's a little thin. It could be a little fluffier. Benjamin, how you like it? Try it. Good. You want that for breakfast? Kid approved? Give me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Brielle, what do you think? I think it's safe to say she's shoving her mouth with it.
Bunch.
You want a bunch?
Yeah. Like on the plate
There.
or bowl.
I would definitely do a double batch, and I would definitely make it a little thicker to make it fluffier. But this is actually really cool if you just want a little like flatbread, something sweet. Here, you try.
That was good.
I cooked this for, I think it was a total of 20 minutes. So it would be a little bit longer if you're making it thicker.
It's better than the first batch.
Yeah? Perfect amount of sweetness. Ooh, let's try the savory one.
I might not like that one.
Okay, here's the sausage and cheddar. Yeah, cheddar.
Oh, yeah. You're back.
It's the perfect sweet and savory together. Like the sweetness of the pancake with the sausage and the saltiness and then the cheddar.
Tastes like a McGriddle.
It does taste like a McGriddle. A keto McGriddle.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. This is so good. I mean, granted, the sausage is like breakfast sausage, so it has probably a little bit of sugar in it, but overall, so good. And you could probably get the stuff that doesn't have any sugar or added anything in it because the erythritol in the pancake mix sweetens it just enough. So good. You want to try, Benjamin?
It's really good.
Mm-hmm. You'll like it.
Yeah. Is it good?
Real, you want some? Yeah. You want to try it?
Mom, what if you gave me this big piece?
This whole big piece?
whole bean.
What was that face?
What's that face for? What's that face for? This is yummier than the other pancake.
If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe right here. If you want to see more videos by us, click over here. If you try this recipe, please let us know in the comments down below. Until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.
More.
More? Yeah, let's cut some more.
I kind of burped.
Yeah.